Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. Now here on the top left, you can see this profile icon. Click on it. Here you'll be able to see the option of settings and privacy. Click on it. So on the second option, content and display, select it. Here at the last you can see the option of app language. Click on it. Hit continue. So now you can change the language to whatever you want to. Here I'm changing it to one language. So yes, the language is changed in my Spotify. All the themes and all the language will be changed now. So this is the quick and easy way to change language on Spotify. Thank you for watching.